On behalf of PPA, Progressive People's Alliance, I hand over this mantle to Thomas Sado for governor.
The presentation of the flag to the PPA candidate Thomas Sado by the national chairman of the party, Peter Ane, represented by the deputy national chairman South-South, Eddie Okonkwo, signaled the commencement of the governorship campaign by the Progressive People's Alliance in Edo State. Addressing party supporters, the deputy national chairman of PPA, Eddie Okonkwo, said the time has come for the youths of Edo State to support one of their own, Thomas Sado, who by means of his profession as a veteran journalist has touched the lives of the people positively. He said by all standards, the PPA governorship candidate Thomas Sado has what it takes to govern Edo State.
We are talking of positive change and not negative change, as we are experiencing now. I implore Edo people, the only thing that will make Sado to occupy or to be the landlord of Osadebe house is when you vote, and when you vote rightly.
In their separate remarks, PPA chairmen from Edo, Delta and Anambra states who graced the event said the positive change that Edo people craved for can only be achieved if Thomas Sado is elected as governor of Edo State.
PPA in Edo State actually is relatively new compared to other political parties, but the rate at which we are growing appears faster than other political parties, and this actually is a worthy achievement on our part.
Since how many years now? Two great parties, they call themselves great party. They have been ruling this state, but now PPA don't come over to take over this state. Now lie.
Now for Edo State alone, pensioners they don't pay them. Now not before. So the thing why they beg una, make una use that power. Now power, that card where you get that PVC, where you get. Whether day you take your thumb, go there, go put am like this for Sado. Once you put am, tell your brother make you put am too. Where they write PPA.
Speaking of his agenda for the people of Edo State, the Edo State PPA governorship candidate Thomas Sado said he's a man who stands in the gap between the rich and the poor by virtue of being a journalist, and promised to ensure people-oriented programs if elected governor of Edo State. He said local government will be given autonomy if he is voted into office as governor.
When you see all of them, you go ask them something they want to do, they say they get 20-point agenda. They get 40-point agenda. Only one agenda now I get. And that agenda to make sure say Edo man is mine. Hey! And that agenda to make sure say food is there for Edo man table. People when know me, they know. I don't travel out of this country, not be once. And I don't go meet some people that go talk to them. Say Edo State must be industrialized. They say how they go take do am. I call me 3 Chinese companies. 3. I meet 3 Chinese companies then. And they tell us and they tell me, I get the paper, I will show you. They put out for paper, say they go come do the legacy report for us.
In their goodwill messages, Chairman of Edo State branch of the Nigerian Union of Journalists, San Roland Osakwe, human rights activist Reverend Olu Martins, Comrade Omobudiaho, and Kola Edokpayi described the PPA governorship candidate Thomas Sado as a man who believes in equity, justice, and fair play, adding that he will not betray Edo people if they give him their mandate.
September 10 in this year, I don't know who will win election, but I know who will not win election. And so, Obasanjo, I don't know who will be in Osadebe house, but I do know that those who have oppressed our people cannot be in Osadebe house. I do know that those who have been involved in multiple taxation will not be in Osadebe house.
Sado is our member. We cannot leave him in the drains. We are going to support him with all our wherewithal.
Today, I'm not there because in the political party, I'm there because Thomas Sado, as I talk, now friend. And not be every friend be friend. Some friend the way you not be trust, where if he kill you. But Sado not be that type. He's a man that believes in justice and equity. He's a man that
that believes in egalitarianism. He's a man that believes in equality. Edo State needs a man like Thomas Sado.
During the rally, the Edo State PPA governorship running mate, Mr. Vincent Onaiwu Ogbede, was also introduced to the people. Best Biere reporting.